Welcome, today we're going to show you how to add PayPal to Whoop as a payment method. So as you see from here, I am on Whoop dashboard, as you see from here. So you need to go to your profile or you need to click on the menu as you see from here. So after clicking on your profile from here, you can actually go to payment methods as you see from here. And after that, you will see that I have no actual payment method. So as you see from here, by clicking on here, you can add a payment method from here. Depending on your country, you can add more than one payment method. So in other countries, you can add PayPal or you can add Cash App. Also, if you want to see the full list of payment methods, you need to go to Discover and from here see anything that you want to buy, click on it, and now click on Join. So from here you will see all the payment method available on your country. So in my country there's the Visa or MasterCard. Also there's the Cash App as see from here. So in other countries PayPal will be here, so you can just choose PayPal as I choose the Cash App and you can sign in and continue to payment. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.